Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fish in the oven. First, select a fish fillet that's at least 1 inch thick to prevent it from drying out. Next, preheat your oven to a consistent 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures even cooking. Finally, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or aluminum foil, which makes cleanup a breeze after your delicious meal. Now, let's talk about flavor. Begin by gently patting your fish dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a lovely, slightly crispy texture. Then, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or melted butter over the fillets. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred herbs like fresh dill or parsley. For an extra burst of freshness and moisture, consider adding a few thin slices of lemon or orange on top. It's time to bake. Carefully place your seasoned fish fillets onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your fish. You'll know it's perfectly cooked when its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius, and it flakes easily with a fork. Remember, avoid overcooking to keep your fish moist and tender. Once your fish is out of the oven, let it rest for just a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent. A final garnish of fresh herbs, like chopped parsley, or a fresh squeeze of lemon juice will brighten the flavors even more. Serve your perfectly cooked fish immediately alongside your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted asparagus or fluffy rice. Enjoy this healthy and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.